Imagine not only living in walking distance to VRE, but also in walking distance to quaint shopping, exceptional dining, and community events in historic downtown Manassas. This townhouse-style condo features 2,500 square feet, and with a one-car garage, you will never have to worry about being bothered with street parking. Come take a look around. This home is offered at $400,000, and its convenient location and low maintenance living can't be beat. Contact me for more information or to schedule a private showing.